Your voice is a bit low, sir.
Okay, now is it better?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Okay. So now we are going to step number 7. Yeah, first I will show you what it is.
Sir, can you
So you
show us step 1A?
step 1, just hmm. 1A is just copying, no? 1A is
Sir,
just what you do, you copy, correct?
what are while copying one IN, the sample chart of depreciation country showing is different name instead of India, BNK.
Okay, somebody might have changed it, okay? Yeah, so right. So, people do weird things, no? Right. You see this one, copy reference chart of depreciation, copy reference chart of depreciation, copy, and then here. Okay. So somebody might have changed the name of the original standard one. Yeah. Yeah. So don't worry. Just
Okay, sir.
okay. Right. So now next one is your ORFA. No? ORFA, in that we are going to create the asset classes. Okay. So taking time. Yeah. So here one IN is actually your Indian standard. One IN. This one, no? One IN. So if someone might have changed the name, na, that's when this it will show some other name. Don't worry about it. Okay.
My case is also same, sir.
Hmm. Yeah. So this just understanding. Na, see here one ion is there. One ion is there. Understand? So now you somebody changed this name. Correct. So it will show his
Yes, sir.
name. Na? That's it. Don't worry about it. Just copy and change your name. Okay. Yeah. Right. So, or else put it back to sample chart of depreciation India. Correct it. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I select another the chart of depreciation India.
Another
Yes, one I am not selected because there is a different country there. That's why.
country is different. Here one ion.
Yes, sir.
No, no, it's not country. Somebody might have named it. Just select one ion. Yeah. You
Okay.
selected some other country.
No, I select India, but the chart of depreciation code is different, sir. There.
No, no. See, understand, ma.
With different company codes, yes, might select it.
I will tell you something. No, Taj
But there
Mahal is.
also India, sir.
Understand, ma. No, Taj Mahal is there. Somebody goes to Taj Mahal, writes his name on his. No, writes his name on the Taj Mahal. Will it become his?
No,
No, no. Same way
impossible.
for his house is writing Taj Mahal. Will it become Taj Mahal?
Mm.
No, no. There is only one Taj Mahal. Na? Same way here, one ion is only one. One ion is only one. That is a sample chart of depreciation. If someone change the name, it doesn't become his. Same way, for something else, I cannot put make it India sample, right? Wrong, na? So understand. So we don't know what is created in his. Na? If you copy that, if it is something wrong is there, then you will be in trouble, right? That's why copy it, go by the code always. Don't go by the name. Name is something I can give any name na here. I can just remove this and save, right? Got it? I can put ZAPL na here. This is
Okay,
just
sir.
a name, na? Don't go by the name. Go by the code always.
Okay, sir.
Correct? Yeah. Okay, next one. So I will go to /n ORF. ORFA. What is this one now? ORFA. We are going to organization structure. and we have asset classes. Now this we are creating. What is an asset class? Depending upon how we want to show in the balance sheet, how many classes we want, how we want to project in the how many GL accounts. Depending upon that, we create the asset classes. Correct. Okay. So now when I click on define asset classes here, when I click on define asset classes here, okay. So when you click on define asset classes, then here when you click on new entries, when you click on new entries, you can see. This is the screen where we create the asset class. Okay. Suppose I want to create a land asset class. Correct. But to create land asset class, there are some things required here. No? You know what is required?
Account GL,
What are the things that are required here?
account determination, GL
Uh,
account number, screen layout,
uh,
and number range.
yeah. So what are the three things that are required to create an asset class?
GL, screen
I,
layout,
I, I, there is a GL here.
account determination.
Yeah. So what are the three things that are required to create asset class? One is account determination. One is a screen layout rule. Another one is number range. Three things are prerequisites. Okay. So once you have them, then only you can create the asset class. Understand? So to create an asset class, what are the three things that are required? One is account determination, one is screen layout rule, one is number. So same things we are getting here also. So here, this is the step number 4 is, create account, define account determination. Understand? Account determination. Then we have to define screen layout. Correct? Yeah, for each asset class. Then we have to define number range for each asset. Correct. Take account determination for each asset class. Correct. So once we have these three, then I can create the asset class. That's why we have these three steps coming before the asset class. Is that clear? Yeah. So what is the use of this? Now, first we need to understand what is account determination. So this account determination, it is used to pick the to pick
Automatic.
the to pick the GL account, to pick the relevant GL account for asset postings. Suppose if I am buying a building, na? If I am buying a building, which GL account? Understand? If I am depreciating a building, which GL account? If I am selling a plant and machinery, which GL account? Like that. So which GL account it should pick up? That is determined from account determination. Is that clear? So what is the use of account determination? For this class, which GL account should be picked up? That is done from the step number 4. Right? We assign the GL accounts here. Good. So now second one, this is the one. Second one is it will decide the screen layout. Screen. Okay. So we are going to, it will talk about the screen for each asset class. Now suppose now land is there. Okay, land there is no depreciation. No? Correct. Building there is depreciation. So I cannot have same screen for land and land class and building class. No, I cannot have. So my screen should be different. Correct. Same way if you take now vehicles are there. Vehicles. I need to do maintenance. I need to do motor insurance for them. So my requirements of that class are slightly different compared to building. Correct or no? Now plant is there. I need to do maintenance. Correct or not? Yeah. So like that, depending upon the asset class, my screens will differ. So that screen variation, I am doing it here, screen layout for each asset class. Correct or not?
एक बार
So now the screen for all assets cannot be same, na? The screen for all assets is not same. So it differs from class to class. Correct? Yeah, same way. Next I'm talking about number range. I'm talking about number range for each asset class. Number range. Yeah. Like for example, now my land, I want to use 1 series. Buildings, I want to use 2 series. Plant and machinery, I want to use 3 series. So that whenever I see the number, I know what type of asset it is. No? Correct? Depending upon my asset class, my number will be picked up. Okay. So these are the 3 things that are required for creating the asset class. Okay. So first is account determination. Second is screen. I want the screen for my asset class separately. Third, I need number range for each asset class. Okay, we will create depending upon number of asset classes we want. Suppose we want to create asset classes like land, buildings separate, plant and machinery separate, furniture and fixtures separate. I want to create vehicles class separate. AUC means what?
Asset under construction.
Asset under construction. What is asset under construction?
innovation or
Uh,
Buildings.
yeah, when I am constructing a building, na, when I am constructing, suppose if I construct the building for 2 years, during those 2 years we call it as a AUC because building is not ready, na. So once building is ready, then we call it as a building. So during those 2 years, we call it as asset under construction. Yeah. So once it is ready, then we will shift to buildings class. Okay. So this is my plant and machinery. This is my building. This is my land. Okay. Right. So land, buildings, plant and machinery, furniture, vehicles, AUs. So how many classes I have? We are going to create 6 asset class. Okay. You can create many. I am creating 6. Okay, tell me now how many account determinations I need?
6.
6. How many screens I need?
6.
6. How many number ranges I need?
6.
6.
Okay, first we will create them, then we can create the asset class. Okay, let us go now. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, here. So can I create asset class now? I
No.
cannot create
No.
because these are not ready, na? So I
Hello,
will go back. Yes, ma'am.
hello. So can you say configuration
Configuration.
where we can, okay, we should click on define assets.
So I'm coming there. So here we are going to ORFA and then you go here asset classes. Now I
Okay.
am here na. So this is
Oh,
step
yeah.
number 4.
Okay.
This is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Okay guys?
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm in asset classes. To create asset classes, I need to create account determination, screen layout, number range, then asset class. That's why these are the steps. 4th step, 5th step, 6th step, 7th. Okay, note down if you want, however way you want to note down, note down.
Sir, can you show your notepad, sir? Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going there. I'm going to this one. Yeah, click on specify account determination. Specify account determination. Click on this. Now you click on the new entries. Click on the new entries and we are creating the, okay, what is my account determination? I will create something that we can remember, right? ZAPL account determination 1. Okay, this I am going to use for land. Okay. ZAPL, ZAPL account determination 2. This is for the buildings. Okay. ZAPL account determination 3. This is for the plant and machinery. ZAPL account determination 4. This I am going to use for
Vehicles.
furniture. Yeah, ZAPL account determination 5. This I am going to use it for vehicles. ZAPL account determination 6. This I am going to use it for AUs. Correct? So when I am constructing a building, when the pillars are there, I cannot call it a building. No? So at that time, we call it as a AUC. There is no depreciation for AUC. When we are using building, depreciation is there. But AUC will not have any depreciation. Same way now plant and machinery is there. It takes about 6 months to set up the plant and machinery, turbines, big, plants I have to set up. Then it may take 6 months to 1 year. So during that 6 months to 1 year, we call it as a AUC only. From AUC, it will become a plant and machinery. Correct? So not only for building, any class. If it is under construction, we put it under construction. Once it is ready, we will settle to the main asset. Okay. Yeah. Okay, note down how many account determinations we created?
6.
6. Save it. Save. So we are in asset accounting now. Yeah. Present. Now next one is I need to create the screens. No? Screen. Create screen layout. Create screen layout. Create screen layout. So how many screen layouts I need now?
6.
6. So click on create screen layout. Here we cannot create a new one. You understand? There is no create button here. Yeah. Okay. So here we only can copy and create. Okay. So I can copy for land. It is 1000 screen. For buildings 1100 screen. For plant and machinery general 2000. For furniture 3000. For low value assets, that is vehicles, 3,300. Assets under construction, 4,000. Okay, select these six guys. So select what you need to do. Select 1000, 1100. Okay. Select 1000, 1100, 2000, 3000, 3,300, and 4,000. Note.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
So suppose we get land and building together, then house.
Then you use the buildings direct.
Okay.
Okay.
3,300, sir.
3,300.
Not showing for me low value 3,300, sir.
It's not there.
Not, sir.
So anything else is there? Anything else, like somebody might have 3,300 is not there. So use something else. No? Something like anybody vehicles is there. You can use that.
The low value asset, sir. That is a
Yeah.
3,000.
Yeah.
Sir, why we have 3, 4 buildings? 1,010, 1,100, and then 1,300.
Slight variation will be there. Screen
Okay.
wise, slight variation. Okay, now copy this, copy.
1 second.
And now, yeah, no. These are the 6 things I copied.
Can you go back, sir?
Okay, let me cancel this. Go back.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. That's fine.
I click on this, correct?
Yeah.
Then I select 1,000, 1,100, 2,000, 3,000, 3,300, 4,000. Okay.
1,010 also building.
Yeah, but you select 1,100 only.
Okay.
Okay.
For me, 3,300 is not available and low value also not showing, sir. So which one I have to select, sir? Something
Anything
or I
come
can skip
down.
it.
Yeah, anything come down. There will be somebody who has created vehicles. Pick that.
I will collect vehicle, sir. I have to select it as a vehicle only.
Vehicles. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Click on copy now. Click on copy and then change the name. Change the name to our name. Okay. What name you want to put? I want to put like ZAP1. Okay. This ZAP1 screen, I am going to use it for land.
And
Okay. Next one, ZAP2. ZAP2, I am going to use it for
Buildings.
buildings. This one, ZAP3. ZAP3. This I am going to use it for
Plant and machinery.
plant and machinery. We change the description also for our comfort. Then this one will be ZAP4, no? 4. This I will use it for this. This one will be ZAP5. This will be what? This will be what?
vehicles.
Vehicles. My ZAP
6.
6. Okay?
Set under construction.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
ZAP4 is for furnitures.
ZAP
4.
4 is furniture and fixtures, no? Yeah. Anything, fixtures and fittings, both are there. Furniture and fixture. Okay. Furniture. Furniture and fixture. F and. Okay. Okay, done.
Yes.
Save it. Total how many screens I created now?
6.
6 screens I created. Right. Okay.
Just
What is the
wait, sir. I will do it.
so 6 asset 6 determinations we have done. 6 determinations we have done. Screens also we have. Okay, done.
1 second, sir.
So come on,
Yes, sir.
start with
Yes,
asset
sir.
accounting, guys. Anybody having backlog, no? You can do it asset accounting. You can start fresh, guys.
Sir, I started to asset accounting starting now.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Save it. Done. Okay. Now
Sir,
next. Yes.
sorry. Yesterday I have asked one doubt, my sir. After the class, could you please tell me, sir, like error I got in GST?
It is resolved. You check it. There is some
Yes, sir.
problem in your access sequence. I checked it yesterday itself. It's working. Check it now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, now, so this is my next one. What is this now? Okay, step number 3, no? Six,
Number
Five.
six, six. I need to create number range, right?
Yes.
Okay, number range. Click on number range interval. Okay, company code. Which company code?
Correct.
ZAPL, right? Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Change intervals. How many intervals I have to create now?
6.
Six. Okay, insert interval. Some number problem 0, 1. 0, 1 is 1 lakh series I am giving. No, 1 lakh 1 to 1 lakh 99. Okay, and this is one series. So this I am going to use it for land. Okay, good. Now insert interval. Number I am going to use 0 to this number I am going to use 2 lakh 1 to 290. Okay, present.
Buildings.
Next number I am going to use 0,
3.
3. This I am going to use it from 3 lakh 1 to 390.
390.
Correct, na?
Yes.
The next insert interval number
4.
0, 4. This is my 4 lakh 1
4
to
490.
490. Correct, na? Now insert interval number 0, 5. This is my 5 lakh 1 to 590. Correct, na? Then insert interval number 0, 6. This is my 6 lakh 1 to 690. Okay. So how many number ranges I created?
6.
6 number ranges I created. No doubt. Okay. So all my land will have what series?
1
1 lakh series.
1 lakh. Buildings,
2
2
lakh.
lakh series.
Lakh.
plant and machinery.
3 lakh.
3 lakhs.
Okay. My furniture,
4
4
lakh.
lakh.
4 lakh. Vehicles, 5 lakh. Asset
5
under construction, 6.
6 lakh.
lakhs.
So I have a clarity now. Correct. Save it. Okay. Now I am going to, I have my account determination ready. My screens are ready. My number ranges are ready. Right. So can we create the asset class now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now go to asset class. No, don't define asset classes. Define asset classes. Yeah. Define asset classes. I'm going to talk to you tomorrow, all of you one by one. I want some, asset side. I want you to pick up the practice. Okay. Yeah. So this is, I have completed 7 steps, nearly completing. I want everybody to be with the class. Okay, guys. Yeah. So start doing it. Yesterday we started the configuration. Yeah. Okay. So now define asset class. Click on. Okay, new entries. Okay, what is my asset class now? Is I want to create a ZAPL land I will. Okay. Yes, it's my ZAPL land asset class. Okay. So short text, I will put it as land. Okay. What is the account determination I have?
ZAP1.
ZAPL,
One.
AD, account
AD.
determination 1. Correct, na? Here, from the drop down also you can pick up. From the drop down also you can pick up. We created na here. What is our thing? ZAPL,
AD1.
AD1. Okay. What is the screen layout?
ZAP1.
ZAP1. What is the number range?
01.
01.
01. Okay. Right. Include asset for asset accounting? Yes. Select. That's it. That's it. No. Other things not required. Just tick it. Okay.
And the
Note down,
first
guys.
asset class with the text, we can give it anything, sir.
Yeah. Anything means something that you can
Yeah, this
use
is
that.
not any alpha or numeric, anything we can give it.
Yeah. Text is text.
Okay.
Text is text. Anything you can. Text is the way you want to call it. Na?
Okay.
Anywhere, not only here. Text is always text. Means you type something there. If you type ABCD, it will show ABC. That is the thing with the text. Description or text, you can give anything. This code is always very important.
Hmm.
Right, done, guys.
Yes.
So this no AUC will be coming automatically because this is not AUC, no? It is no AUC, not an AUC. Correct. Okay, shall I go to the next class now?
Yes.
Okay. So next entry. Next entry. Okay, what is my class now? ZA? ZAPL?
Building PL.
Building, BUIL, building class. My ZAPL, what is it? Building asset. So the buildings asset class. Okay, what is this? This building. Okay, now what is account determination? Tell me.
ZAPL AD2.
Correct. This one, ZAPL.
ZAP2.
What is this
Z
one?
ZAP2.
What is this one?
202.
2.
0. Include asset. Okay, second asset class name is 8 characters actually. So ZAPL build. 8 characters. Okay, next entry. What is the next entry?
ZAPL PNM.
Plant and
Plant
machinery.
and machinery.
ZAPL plant and mission. This is my ZAPL plant and mission. Correct. So this is my plant and mission. Okay. Then my
PM.
account determinations
ZAPL
here.
AD.
PM.
This is
ZAPL 3.
this is
Three.
this one. Take.
Lotus.
Correct. Okay, 3 asset classes I created. Next. Next one is ZAPL
Furniture.
Furnitures.
Fixtures.
furniture. Yeah. furniture and fixtures. ZAPL, furniture and fixtures. Okay, this is my furniture and fixtures. Okay, account determination ZAPL AD4.
AD4.
ZAP
before
04
0.
include as. Okay, right. So go to next entry. So like this, how many classes we have? That many
6.
classes we will create. Okay, one by. Okay, next entry. Who will decide the number of classes?
Client.
Client will
Client.
decide.
Sir, 1 second, show third.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next entry. ZAP vehicles, no? Okay, ZAPL vehicles. Okay. This is my ZAPL vehicles class. Okay, this is my vehicle. Okay, this will be my ZAPL
AD5.
5. What is my screen layout?
5.
ZAP
5.
5. Number range
05.
05. Include as. Okay. Right. So same way next last one we have. Last one is ZAPL
AUS.
AUs. Okay, this is my ZAPL
Certain
asset under construction. Okay. This is my AUC. What is the account determination? ZAP
AD6.
AD6. This one,
ZAP6.
ZAP6.
this one,
06.
06. And then one important difference here. This is
No
not
setting.
you cannot include. You cannot include this. Okay. So you and it is no AUC is wrong, no? It is AUC.
Yes, sir.
When you are writing AUC here, how can you say it is not AUC? So no. So you have to select this one. Line item settle. Means finally AUC will need settlement to the main asset. Yeah, because there is a difference. Na? AUC is not permanent, right? Correct. Building is there, lifetime it is building only. But AUC lifetime you will construct
Oh, sir, it will constructed at one point.
at one point of time, it will not be AUC, no? Correct or not? That's why it needs settlement. One day or the other, you have to settle it, no? It will become a main asset. It will become a building or it will become a plant and machinery. It will become something. Then it needs settlement. So lifetime it is not AUC, right? A land is there. Lifetime it is land only. Agree? A vehicle is there. Lifetime it is vehicle only. Na? It will not become building, right? My car will not become building, correct? Yeah. But AUC will become building. You understand the point? That's
Sir, initially it is called IO number, right? Internal order.
internal order is a concept used in controlling CO. Correct. So order is like when you are allocating funds now for the AUC.
Yes.
Correct. First you create the order. When you are spending the money, it will ask for whom you are spending. So you allocate to the order. From order, it will be going to AUC. From AUC, it will be going to minus. That's the process.
Allocating to asset.
Correct. So your order is linked to your AUC. That's
So are we going to create IOs here?
yeah.
Oh.
We will. In controlling we create, not.
Okay.
No, it needs controlling module.
Okay.
Then we create.
Yeah, that asset class, the text, once created, after some changes needed, we can change it or is no, sir?
Asset?
The class text, that SAPL AUC, that text suppose is any changes needed, we can change it, sir.
You can change anytime. Text can be changed anytime. This code cannot be changed. Text
Okay,
can be changed
text
anytime.
only. Okay.
Right. So how many asset classes I created, guys? Total?
6.
6.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my problem is I copy reference chart of account another code. Then how to we
Leave it
select?
now, ma. Leave it now. Create a new one and assign
Sir,
to your company.
no, I create new, sir, but there are no one iron in India, sir. Then what I do?
Here /n ORFA. When you are going to the organization structure here, copy reference chart of depreciation, copy reference. Here when you are copying,
Yes, sir.
one IN is not there.
No, sir. There we select there, but there B and something else.
Okay, so you are not able to see this one IN.
Yes,
So
sir.
one
No.
line is there with different country name.
Yes, sir. One iron is
People,
there, but India not there, sir.
okay, so now this is the description. What is your user ID? User ID. So others, everybody can see one IN, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So some server, somebody might have disturbed it. So just so one IN is there, but description is different, right?
That's not a issue, sir. Directly we can select one IN, right? Even though
Correct.
the country name is changed. That is what you have explained.
Correct. But she is not confident. Your user ID, tell me, ma.
13637.
Yeah. Okay. One IN is there. You copy that, ma. But we will have to put it back. So we will get somebody to change this. Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, so what I was saying, asset classes created, right? So /n ORFA. Now here we have organization structure, asset classes we created. How many asset classes we created? Total 6.
6.
Okay, you can see them here. ZAP. You can see total 6 are next. Now step number 8. No, no.
Step number 7, sir.
7 is
Define
what?
asset.
That is what
Define
we did
asset
now,
class.
just now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, we created asset classes only. Na? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now. So now, so what is the name of my land asset class? I created as
ZAP.
ZAPL land. Okay,
ZAPL BUI.
ZAPL building. Na? Yeah, ZAPL building. Only 8 characters allowed. Na? So I have created BUIL I created, right? Correct. Plant and machinery I created as ZAPL plant and machinery. Furniture I created as ZAPL F and F. Then this one I created ZAPL vehicle. Just VH I created. Okay, for our comfort. This I created as ZAPL AUH. AUC. Total 6 asset classes I created. This is the naming I have. You also give your company code naming. Okay. If everybody is creating building, land means my building, your land, my land, it will create confusion. No? That's why you attach your company code in the beginning. Okay. Next, note on step number 8. Right. Define depreciation area for each asset class. OA, YZ. Yeah. Note. OA, YZ. So for each asset class, now I can say, see, for land, there is no depreciation. For buildings, there is depreciation. For furniture, there is like this. So I want to control the depreciation, right? That is. For each asset class, I have to define the depreciation. Okay. Now let me go. So OA, YZ. OA, YZ. Let's go to OA, YZ. Slash and OA, YZ. You go. Okay. The screen is open, I think. OA, YZ. Okay. What is my asset class now? Position. ZAP. ZAP. First, I'm going to talk about land. Na? Land. Click on depreciation areas. Yeah. I'm going to talk about my depreciation.
Got a
You know,
tab, chart of depreciation selection.
yeah, chart of depreciation.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, if it is showing wrong chart of depreciation, guys, then note down if it is showing some wrong chart of depreciation. Okay. Then we need to set the chart of depreciation. Yeah, write down, put a note here. To set the chart of depreciation, the T code is OAPL. The T code to set the chart of depreciation is OAPL. Okay, note down. So if it is showing wrong chart of depreciation here, if it is showing wrong chart of depreciation, then to set the chart of depreciation, it is OAPL. Okay, I will show you that OAPL slash and OAPL. Go. Yeah. Suppose here you see, suppose if it is SMM, suppose it is SM. So now when I go to OAYZ, no? OAYZ, it will show me wrong, no? Okay, you suppose I am giving my ZAP now. ZAP land I am giving. Depreciation areas, it is showing me wrong chart of depreciation. Be careful. Understand? Right. If someone is working on it and if it is in the wrong chart of depreciation, it will create problem. Correct? You cannot, you don't want to enter into somebody's house. No, no, this somebody's house. Don't get into their area. Okay. Yeah. So that is, so to set the chart of depreciation, what is the T code? If you are seeing
OAPL.
wrong the chart of
OAPL.
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 OAPL, you go there, then remove their chart of depreciation, put yours.
ZAPL.
Okay, you see this message you will get. Chart of depreciation was set.
Set.
Okay. So now what I do? I go to again I go to OAYZ. OAYZ. Then here position. What is my asset class? ZAP land asset. Select the land, click on the depreciation area. Okay. Click on depreciation areas, click on the book depreciation, and then we are going to leave it like this area under deactivation because there is no depreciation on land.
Land.
Na? So leave it area deactivate. Leave it area deactivate. Then save this. Okay, leave it under deactivation only. Cancel. Don't go back. Do not go back. If you go back, it will ask so many things. You have to cancel, cancel, and come out. 2 times cancel. Okay. Next, what I do, select building, click on depreciation area. Select building, click on depreciation area. Now book depreciation. here. So a depreciation is there on the building.
Sir, once go back, sir. Select building.
No.
Okay. Select building.
Depreciation area.
Sir, that is ZCL, sir.
Oh, correct. We have to go to ZAPL. Correct. The one, no? Yeah. So ZAPL, click on the depreciation area. Okay, book depreciation. Then you give area deactivation, you remove, because I am going to activate the depreciation area because there will be depreciation here. Okay. And screen layout you give from this drop down. From this drop down, you will select 2000. Okay, 2000 you select. Area deactivation you do, remove this. You 2000 screen layout you give. This is for the depreciation screen layout. 2000. I will explain you tomorrow what is this 2000. Yeah, 2000, and then save it. Okay, that's it. Then cancel. Don't come back. Cancel, come out. Okay, right. So now other classes are there. What is the other class? Now
Sir,
third one.
save
Nature.
one time and then 2 time cancel.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So select, then next class is what?
Plant and machinery.
Plant
ZAPL.
and machine. Click on depreciation areas. Again, same thing. What I have to do? Click on book depreciation. Click on book depreciation. Remove what?
Area deactivate.
And then here, which number I will give? 2000. Okay, 2000. Then save.
Sir, it's 2000, sir.
Yeah,
Screen.
2000. Screen layout. From this, you select 2000. Okay. Save. And then what I should do, ma?
2 times cancel.
Cancel, come out. Okay. Right. So how many asset classes I have defined the depreciation area?
4 classes.
No. 3 only. I
Three.
think.
Three classes.
Land,
Three.
land, building,
Land,
plant.
building,
Land
plant.
and machinery.
Other 3 I will do tomorrow. Okay. Just I
Okay.
want to explain the 2000 concept. I need to explain.
For all those also 2000, sir. Screen
That
variant.
is what I need to explain. I will
Okay.
explain tomorrow. Because for other things, I select other things. Why?
Oh.
I will explain. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, guys. So we have completed how many steps? We have completed 7. 8 we are doing. No?
Yes.
Okay. Do this, guys. I want everybody to be with the class. Everybody means 100% practice I should see in asset accounting. Because this is something you can start fresh. Okay. So do it. Okay, guys. Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You, sir.
Thank you.